Those who are involved in politics, especially, I want to talk with you right now. Just give me few minutes. I just say here, my dear friends, never do politician politics. You know, never do politician politics. Always do honest politics. Try to do develop your area. Try to do something for your nation. Don't try to break us. Don't try to break anyone. My dear friends, never forget we all are. Man is mortal. Never forget. And those who are Muslim, never forget. Islam means peace. So try to develop your area. Try to love everyone. Don't try to break anyone. Okay? Thank you very much.